Alright guys, so it's finally time to set up your Amazon seller account so that we can start selling products and creating product listings and get some sales. So all you're going to do is go ahead and Google Amazon Seller Central and open Amazon Seller Central, the first link, sellercentral.amazon.com. And now obviously we don't have an account already, so we're going to click not already selling on Amazon. Let's click register now. So now there's a couple different accounts or a couple different methods that you can use to sign up, and that is to become a professional seller or an individual seller. So the professional seller account does cost $40 a month, which allows you to essentially sell as many products as you like without an individual selling fee. However, if you want to create an individual seller, become an individual seller, this account is free, but what happens is you're charged per sale. So this individual seller account is not really for a business, which is what we're aiming to create. We want to make this a stream of income. We want a profitable business, and we want to sell hundreds of items every month. Whereas an individual seller account is more for people who want to get rid of their old goods in their house. For example, you've got an old set of speakers that you want to sell, or if you've got old books that you want to sell on Amazon. It's for people who want to sell 1 to 2 items a month. Whereas we're looking to sell hundreds, if not thousands of units a month. So we want to go for the pro account. I'd recommend just signing up and just jumping all in for the pro account. It is $40 a month. However, Amazon is very, very kind. So if you sign up for the $40 a month account, the pro account, and you don't actually sell anything, or you don't have any inventory in Amazon for say 2 months, if you email Amazon and ask them to please refund you for your 2 months that you haven't had any stock in before you've actually started selling, they're more than happy to send you your money back. So don't worry too much about that. So we're going to go ahead and click start selling. Now I'm going to enter, you're just going to follow is just like any sort of sign up form online. You're going to enter your details. Okay, password. And go ahead and click next. Now, I obviously won't be able to go through this entire process because I already do have an account, a Seller Central account, so I can't link my bank account and my address again because I do only have one address, so I won't be able to complete this entire process. And I've only got one tax number, so I can't do that again. So I will show you as far as I can. So we're going to go ahead and what is the legal name? So this legal name is either your legal name or your business's name. If you've registered a business, that's what you'll put inside here. This is the information that you'll need. So you'll need a business name and address, which can be your personal name and your home address, your mobile number, a chargeable credit card, and tax information. So we'll get to these two now. So just go ahead and click next again. So we're going to enter your details, your address and your house, your home address and everything like that. I'm going to go ahead and fill this in. I don't know if it'll let me complete it. I'm sure it will. Then we're going to go ahead and select our business display name. So this is the name of your store. It can be whatever you come up with, whatever you like, or a business name that you've actually registered. So I'm going to go with this. If you do sell your products online, we're going to leave this blank. We don't have a website yet. Select a way to verify your number. They can either call you or SMS you. So you're going to enter your number. And then click text me now. Now what's going to happen is they're going to call you and give you a PIN that you're going to have to fill in on the next page. And once you've done that, it's pretty simple. From then on, you're going to go to, once you get to billing and deposit, they're going to ask you for your credit card details, which we'll talk about in the next video. I'll show you if you can't get past that step, and then your tax information. So for tax information, depending on where you are in the world, you might have your own tax number or tax identification number, depending on where in the world you pay tax. However, sometimes they will require an EIN, which is an identification number, an employee identification number. And if you don't have one of those, you can easily get one of those. All you have to do is go to Google and search for apply for EIN. and you're going to apply on the IRS website. So you just click apply for employer identification number, and it's pretty straightforward as well. You just click apply online, you'll enter your information, and you'll apply for this number online. Then you'll go back to your Amazon application and enter it there. And once you've completed that entire system, that entire process, you'll have an Amazon seller account, and we can get started. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to link your bank account to your Amazon seller account once you've created it.